So come, let me show you what you're gonna be needing. So what we're gonna need first, we're gonna need our Turkish coffee, pure Turkish coffee, like coffee. And we're gonna need something like this. They normally use traditionally to make Turkish coffee. You can either use this one or you can use a small tool like this one. This is for coffee, but I don't like this one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so what we're gonna need, for me, my Turkish coffee, this is how I normally make it because it is just 1 cup. You see this small cup, this one, not cup, these small spoons. We have these ones, the smaller ones, and also we have this teaspoon. So you can see, you can compare, they're not the same. So I'm using this one. Okay, I'm gonna scoop 2 cups, two spoons of this one for sugar. Okay, for 1 person. And then for me, my Turkish coffee, what I normally do is actually to take this one, 2 of them as well. Okay, full like that. And then what we're gonna need is some water. Okay, and then to make our water, or to get our water, we're gonna be needing Turkish coffee cup like this. Okay, these are small ones. We have variety of them, but I'm gonna use this one. And then I'm gonna pour it here. That is it. And then we're gonna I'm gonna need a spoon to mix everything. Once we have mixed, we are not going to mix when it is on the fire, so we're gonna brew it on the fire. Okay, so there we have, as you can see, our Turkish coffee is being brewed. I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. So you can see our Turkish coffee is almost coming up, like being brewed, and the bubbles, you can see they are coming. So you're gonna just have to wait for a few minutes, not more than 5 actually. Okay, there we have it, is actually coming up. We're gonna turn it off, and then we're gonna take our Turkish coffee and put it here. Okay, so I'm gonna just, because it is for 1 person, I'm just gonna pour it all over it here. Remember that foam, that thing that you are seeing on the top, is very important in Turkish culture. I don't know why, but they prefer if you make when it is too much foamy. Okay, and then here, as you can see, I have my water. I have my something like a snack, like a dessert or a sweet, something candy. Okay, for today, this chocolate candy. Inside we have biscuit. It's gonna do better, but if you have anything, you can use. So I'm gonna enjoy. And Turkish coffee, you serve it with water. Okay, culture, it has its own meaning. Like traditionally, they normally say that if you are maybe in those earlier days, when you serve a guest and she takes water first before the coffee, it means that she is hungry. And when she takes the coffee first, it means that no, I don't know if I'm confusing. If she takes the coffee first, it means she's hungry. If she takes water first, it means she's not hungry. So you might change how you're gonna serve the food. I don't know how it goes. Maybe a Turkish person can tell me, but that is it. I think it is something to do with tradition. And also, most of the time, Turkish coffee has been used a lot of times in weddings. Even during the engagement, the bride can add here some, instead of salt, instead of sugar, the bride can add in actually some salt and give the groom. If the groom takes it, it means that he gonna endure everything in life in their marriage. I don't know, the Turkish culture, it has a lot of meanings. Turkish girls normally use this the residue, or maybe the remainings of the residue, to do their cleaning stuff when it comes to your skincare. Like they do something to do with DIY. And sometimes they actually, once they finish the Turkish coffee, they turn this cup, and actually they can read inside the cup. So Turkish coffee has a lot of meanings, and I'm glad to share with you more that I have learned, and I'm gonna enjoy my Turkish coffee.
Seni ulaşmam lazım.